Don't worry, my other videos will be full length because it's like 1 in the morning, so whatever. But now we're gonna go through disassembly and everything else. Alright? Rotor. Prophecy. Step 1. These two tabs right here. Push in, push up. Off comes this. This thing pisses me off because it keeps falling off. See? When my wires is broken. That's not good. But whatever. Feed gate thing. I'm a jiggy. Whatever. This magnet drive pisses me off. It's annoying to get off because I have big hands. It's annoying to get off when everything's put back together. It's friggin' annoying. But I love how it's on balls and stuff. Not stupid comment. How it's on what are those cute things called? Bearings. 2 bearings. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. Just clean it in here and stuff, and you're good to go. Well, that's part 2. Fucking magnet.